Do you hear the sound echoing loud? Do you see the light shining around? Do you feel the night showing the way we should go? We should go.
Welcome to a perfect day of adventure on the Adriatic Sea. We'll begin our journey from Novalja, heading first to the secluded Vidonjica Bay, where you'll find stunning crystal-clear turquoise waters. Next, we'll sail to the nearby Dolfin Islands to immerse ourselves in their unspoiled natural beauty. Afterward, we'll explore the historic charm of Rab Old Town, strolling through its narrow, picturesque streets. Then, we'll venture to the breathtaking Zavratnica Bay to enjoy its natural wonders, and also snorkel and discover the sunken remains of a World War II ship. Finally, we'll conclude our trip by experiencing a breathtaking sunset in one of the serene bays along the coast of Pag. Total expenses for the boat trip are flexible and primarily depends on the vessel type. Our journey begins at Vidonjica Bay, a hidden gem just a short sail from Novalja. This secluded bay is the perfect place to start the day, with its crystal clear turquoise waters and peaceful surroundings. Drop the anchor, dive into the refreshing sea, and enjoy a swim in this tranquil paradise. The calm waters are ideal for snorkeling, offering a glimpse of the vibrant marine life that thrives beneath the surface. Next, we sail towards the Dolfin Islands, a small archipelago known for its unspoiled natural beauty. As we approach the islands, keep an eye out for dolphins, which are often spotted playing in these waters. The Dolfin Islands are a haven for nature lovers, with their rugged coastlines, hidden coves, and secluded beaches. Take some time to explore, swim, or simply relax on the deck, soaking in the stunning views. Our journey continues to the historic Rab Old Town, one of the most charming and picturesque towns on the Adriatic coast. Rab is exceptionally beautiful if you arrive via a boat. Step ashore and wander through the narrow cobblestone streets, lined with medieval buildings, ancient churches, and quaint squares. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the 4 iconic bell towers that define Rab's skyline. Enjoy a leisurely lunch at one of the many waterfront restaurants, savoring local delicacies and fresh seafood. After exploring Rab, we set sail for the breathtaking Zavratnica Bay, often referred to as one of the most beautiful bays in Croatia. This fjord-like bay is nestled between steep cliffs, creating a dramatic and awe-inspiring landscape. The bay's clear, emerald waters are perfect for a refreshing swim, or you can hike along the scenic trails that offer stunning views from above. Zavratnica is also home to the sunken remains of a World War II German ship, visible just below the surface, an intriguing sight for history buffs and snorkelers alike. As the day begins to wind down, we make our way back towards Novalja, timing our return to coincide with the sunset. Watching the sun dip below the horizon from the boat is a magical experience, with the sky painted in shades of orange, pink, and purple. The calm waters reflect the colors of the sky, creating a serene and unforgettable end to our journey. This day boat trip from Novalja is the perfect way to experience the beauty and diversity of the Croatian coast.
The way we should go.
It was a day filled with adventure, relaxation, and memories that will last a lifetime. Subscribe to know more about Croatia.